Okay. Done. Okay, so here's a new one. Okay, so a new one, the one I've just taken out. It's not too bad. They're about, well, I can measure them, I suppose. Okay, so it's 9 mils new. And this one is 7. So they were not too bad. 6.8. There we go. Okay. Yuck. Not great looking contents, so it's a good thing I'm doing in service. And polish these up a bit. Okay, so we're torquing the frame to the engine at 32 Newton meters. After putting all the bolts on the frame, I found I had 2 washers left over, and they are shims basically. So I've undone all the bolts to see if there's any gap, and lo and behold, I found one. So I have put the washers back where they need to go, and now I'm busy tightening it up again. So hopefully it's all shimmed correctly. Okay, I'm going to try and put this on there by heating this up. It doesn't fit easily at the moment, but if it's heated up, it may well just slip down onto the bottom, which is how they suggest you do it. So let's give that a go. Perfect. Okay, well, I've hit a bit of an impasse. I tried to put the bloody bearing on the stem by heating it, and well, I got stuck, and I don't have a tool to take it off now. And I broke it I bent it while I was trying to knock it down further. So yeah, what a pain. If you don't have the right tools, then you sit with problems like this. I kind of come to the end of the day. Hopefully I can find a new bearing tomorrow. Oh, I'm calling it quits.